Back in the day when I made a lot of bread, I used to get the big thing of Fleishman's yeast. But now I just, at our local supermarket, they have like these 3 packs of pizza crust. And this is the easy and fast one. So the first recommendation is that you pour the yeast in very warm water. And I have microwaved a cup of water, so I'm going to pour the yeast into the water. So now I'm just kind of stirring the yeast up in the cup of water, and I'm going to let it sit as I mix up the rest of the dough. Okay, so I've mixed together about 2.5 cups of flour, just baking flour that's white, about 1/3 cup of oil, it was canola oil, a little bit of salt, garlic powder, the cup of water with the yeast in it, and it's coming together to make a dough for the pizza. Ooh, it's the oven spy cam. We can see the pizzas are baking. Here are the 2 vegan pizzas. I have them in glass pans, so they're kind of like deep dish pizzas. I honestly like glass pans better because you can throw them in the dishwasher. And yeah, you can always clean a metal pan, but I always felt like metal pans got pretty gross over time. And I just never liked the residue on a metal pan, whereas with a glass pan, it lasts for a long time. You can clean it by hand, put it in the dishwasher, so they're my favorite for any kind of baking purpose. And I made 2 different deep dish pizzas, all vegan. So it has, you know, follow your heart cheese, Yves pepperoni. It's not real pepperoni, it's vegan. Mushrooms, bell peppers on this one, green bell peppers. And on this one, it's just mushroom and the Yves vegan pepperoni, which is not real, of course. Both of these pizzas are for vegans, for people that, you know, don't eat meat.